Jesus, it's a hot day in Canada. Probably wondering why I'm so small. Let's get the magnifying glass on this thing. It's so much better. I'm a square today because we're going to be playing some Game Boy. So forgive the lack of color. I mean, if you like pea green, have I got a story for you? It's actually showing more of like a tan, gross yellow color. But it is what it is. Doesn't mean the games are any less fun, even with the crappy graphics and beep boop sounds. Actually, for a handheld, the music is surprisingly good, especially when you're not hearing it on the Game Boy's speaker. Today, we're going to play Super Mario Land 2 because it's like a drug-fueled adventure. Yeah, it's weird. Let's go! Here we are at Mushroom House. Look at the mountains. They're very Kirby-esque. Horrendous screen tearing. Oh no, the sound of small sadness. Look at his little tuft of hair sticking up. Or is that the brim of his cap when he dies? Nobody knows. Oh yeah. That's something in my hat. Shit. I've ruined it. Ruined! You little bastard. I guess we're going this way. Nice. Okay, so I think we have a choice of which land we want to go to. Here's Tree Zone. So like, the illusion of exploration anyway. What's in here? Oh, a moving stage. With an ocean in the background, even though it was kind of just like a little pond. But you know, who's paying attention to these things? Nothing stands a chance. No. The champ. Seems to be some sort of boss fight, maybe? Who knows? No! The dragon statues have like a snot nose going on. So we saw me on top of a mountain, right? Where is this water from? Only I had a bubble. Oh, macro zone. Is everything huge? No. Oh, I'm tiny, and these are just bugs. Neat. Either way, they look like horrible, horrible death. Okay. Just like a real claw game. Pumpkin Town! I do like Halloween. Worth it. Kind of morbid for a Mario game. Fuck this noise! There was treasure up there, but I'm scared of ghosts. Too much going on the screen at once for that. Oh shit. Release the bats. Crazy Cracktown Mario house. That's not how you carry things, sir. Oh, gross. Are we, like, inside that Mario toy? And these are his inside gear bits? Being all chunky? I'm going this way. Ah! I thought I just went right through one, and I didn't do anything. Okay, Mario Zone. Go to hell. What other fun zones are there? Filthy Turtle Zone. Oh shit. And what do we say at underwater levels? Nope. Well, shit. What happens? Okay, so gambling for kids. Kind of unacceptable. Oh, I see. I need all the things complete to unlock the world. Who the hell is that on top? Is that Wario? There is only one way to find out. But I'm not going to do it today. Well, that was Super Mario Land 2 for the Nintendo Game Boy. I wonder if I have a Game Boy Color... You know the Super Nintendo cartridge that you put the Game Boy games in? And then it turns them color and lets you play them on the screen with like a bezel, I think. And then you could choose the two colors. Maybe it was more. I think it was just two. I wonder if I could emulate that somehow. Something to ponder. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching me play Super Mario Land 2. I think I might spend the rest of the afternoon doing that. Actually, it was fun. I just felt a lot of pressure with you watching. You creepy voyeur. Why you do this?